Have you ever wondered what you can do? Well, today we're going to learn about sentences and how to use them to talk about our abilities. Let's find out what amazing things you can do. I can cook dinner. I can cook dinner. I can drive a car. I can drive a car. I can sew. I can sew. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can swim. I can swim. I can help you. I can help you. I can play the guitar. I can play the guitar. I can sing. I can sing. I can dance. I can dance. I can read. I can read. I can write. I can write. I can run fast. I can run fast. I can jump high. I can jump high. I can fix it. I can fix it. I can use a computer. I can use a computer. I can draw. I can draw. I can knit. I can knit. I can paint. I can paint. I can clean the house. I can clean the house. I can wash the dishes. I can wash the dishes. I can garden. I can garden. I can teach. I can teach. I can babysit. I can babysit. I can make coffee. I can make coffee. I can take photos. I can take photos. I can do yoga. I can do yoga. I can build things. I can build things. I can play chess. I can play chess. I can skate. I can skate. I can ride a bike. I can ride a bike. I can hike. I can hike. I can camp. I can camp. I can fish. I can fish. I can cook breakfast. I can cook breakfast. I can surf. I can surf. I can perform. I can perform. I can drive a motorcycle. I can drive a motorcycle. I can take the bus. I can take the bus. I can take a taxi. I can take a taxi. I can walk. I can walk. I can fly a kite. I can fly a kite. I can write code. I can write code. I can sculpt. I can sculpt. I can make a fire. I can make a fire. I can iron my clothes. I can iron my clothes. I can shop for groceries. I can shop for groceries. I can smile. I can smile. I can make a cake. I can make a cake. I can fry an egg. I can fry an egg. I can grill meat. I can grill meat. I can roast chicken. I can roast chicken. I can make a sandwich. I can make a sandwich. I can boil water. I can boil water. I can listen to music. I can listen to music. I can walk my dog. I can walk my dog. I can feed my cat. I can feed my cat. I can water the plants. I can water the plants. I can rake the leaves. I can rake the leaves. I can shovel the snow. I can shovel the snow. I can take out the trash. I can take out the trash. I can wash the car. I can wash the car. I can fix the bike. I can fix the bike. I can build a tree house. I can build a tree house. I can make my bed. I can make my bed. I can vacuum the floor. I can vacuum the floor. I can dust the furniture. I can dust the furniture. I can hang up the laundry. I can hang up the laundry. I can pack my suitcase. I can pack my suitcase. I can read a map. I can read a map. I can plan a trip. I can plan a trip. I can make new friends. I can make new friends. I can plant flowers. I can plant flowers. I can ride a horse. I can ride a horse. I can sweep the floor. I can sweep the floor. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.